that's what's so interesting about this Fortus 450 open platform is it's a very reliable system. So pairing that reliable system with high quality products and somebody that knows how to print, because it's not just press and print, you're increasing the overall success rate in general. So in doing so, now you're creating that buy-in, not only from that client, but potential clients that they talk to.
Yeah, the thing that we found as you talk about that, the 450 being robust, is if you have open systems and you've created a custom material for that, a lot of open systems on the market today, the variability between each system is fairly high. So you have to manage that between printers, and being able to dial a system in like the 450 gives you the capability to scale up the production because you've got a known machine.
Absolutely.
That's probably where we're most interested and excited about this project. Is we do production, we run production on an open source machines, and we're often running engineered materials. And those machines themselves have been the bottleneck. The materials are to a certain degree as well if they're not high quality materials. But it's really exciting to hear KIMYA's depth and breadth in polymers for the additive space, because there's a lot of applications that we've attempted to pursue in the past. And while we may have been successful, they weren't scalable. So working with the 450 and working with KIMYA, I'm pretty excited now about the opportunities that creates for us solving customers' problems moving forward. And this is the space that we really focus on. Engineered materials with really challenging projects, we find that's where we can add value. So it's great to have this conversation with you today and to learn some of these things about KIMYA.